In politics, access is currency, and the people writing checks often get more influence than the people casting votes. This scene from The Distinguished Gentleman turns that truth into comedy, showing how lobbying, fundraising, and deal-making quietly dictate what becomes law.
I'd like to do more money for you, but first I've got to get your positions on a few issues. Now, where are you on sugar price supports?
Sugar price supports. Where should I be, Terry?
Shit, it makes no difference to me. If you're for them, I got money for you from my sugar producers in Louisiana and Hawaii. If you're against them, I got money for you from the candy manufacturers.
You pick.
Let's say 4.
Yeah, 4.
How about putting limits on malpractice awards?
Well, you tell me.
Well, if you're for them, I got money from the doctors and insurance companies. If you're against them, I got money from the trial lawyers. Let's put you down as against.
Yeah, you know what? Put me down for against.
How about pizza?
Oh, no, this salad's gonna be enough for me.
Not for lunch, old buddy. For pack money.
You thought I was serious? I was fucking with you.
Well, you are.
Fucking with you. I'll buzz. Terry, tell me something. With all this money coming in from both sides, how could anything possibly ever get done?
It doesn't. That's the genius of the system.
What you're seeing here is the real economy of politics. Lobbyists don't need to buy votes outright. They buy time, attention, and access. Money flows to both sides, not to change outcomes, but to keep the game going. Committee chairs raise more so they get more power, and the cycle repeats. The genius, as the lobbyist says, is that nothing ever really gets done. That's how influence thrives in plain sight, not through corruption, but through design.